And here in Nigeria, the Ministry of State for Youth Development is seeking a partnership with the Northeast Development Commission to improve the lives of the youth in the region and to also tackle the menace of drug abuse, which he says is now very alarming in the country among the youth population. Moya Thomas reports.
The prevalence of drug abuse and drug addiction in Nigeria has been a growing concern. A 2018 statistics from NBC also shows that Nigeria's 14.4% drug use is more than twice the global average of the 5.6%. The Minister of State for Youth Development says the importance of youth demography makes it imperative to address this challenge, which is the purpose of his visit to the Northeast Development Commission in Abuja.
We are here to be part of you, to say, okay, we are one government. We have a lot of things that we can also put in place for you to do. We have a lot of things that when we come together, we will solve the problem. And we particularly will put everything together.
We decided to build some mega schools so that at the right time, those youths can go back to school in a very convenient environment. And we are building 18 of them, the mega schools, 3 each in each state, 1 in each senatorial district.
Besides the education support, the DG says part of the effort of the Commission in engaging the youth is an effort to train them in ICT, phone repairs and graphics design. The minister also announced a plan to launch a campaign for youth engagement.
You may have the other capacity and I have the other capacity, and we put the capacities together and it makes it look more viable and brilliant. And we said, fine. It is better we start the campaign of one youth, one word.
Put disciplinary action in place for people who are taking it. We also believe there's a need for us to tackle the demand side of those people who are actually buying and using the drug, which majorly is the young people.
The campaign also believes intervention through partnerships will reduce the burden of drug and substance abuse in Nigeria. Beyond the social and economic impacts of drug abuse, it also poses great risk to health and wellness, especially mental wellness. This is one of the reasons for its growing concern in Nigeria, and collaborations such as this will definitely help in addressing this menace. Moya Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.